How to download Snapchat Spotlight video without watermark. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that if there is a way to download Snapchat Spotlight video without the watermark or not. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open Snapchat app with your logged in account. Alright, so once you open the Snapchat on your device, you will got such interface. So now from here, you'll have to just go the section Spotlight. So simply tap on the Spotlight just at the bottom right corner. And now from here, you'll have to select the Spotlight video whom you want to download. So simply I will select this one. And now from here, you'll have to just tap on the share icon just at the bottom right corner. And now from the section share to, you'll have to swipe right. And here you got the options like downloads. So simply tap on this download option. Alright, the snap has been exported to my gallery, so from here I can know that. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully downloaded the Snapchat Spotlight video on my gallery. So this is the process. So this is the official method to download Snapchat Spotlight videos. So whether you get the Snapchat watermark or not, you can't make any changes on them. So this is the process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. See you on next one.